In Femap 2020.1, you can now copy a load definition to multiple load sets. Simply right-click on the load definition and choose Copy to Set. Next, choose the load set or load sets you wish to copy to. In this example, 5 unique loading scenarios can receive an additional load component all at the same time. In the same way, to copy a constraint, right-click on the definition and choose Copy to Set. Femap 2020.1 also automates the process of summing multiple forces over multiple load sets. Pick single, all, or choose subsets of the loads in your model. Using the Femap data table is a convenient way to separate your load components into columns. Finally, this example shows using load from output to take the results of a transient thermal heat problem and create multiple load sets. Choose either a single, all, or a subset of all the results in the model. Using the new load sets, we can investigate the effective temperature on the structure.